Alright, we're here again. It's 9:03. We're running late. It's Eastern Time and it's October 6th, 2017. Bitcoin is up, up, up. Not much. We're having a lot of trouble here. There's resistance at 4,400. There's no doubt about it, but there's also... Ooh, ew, that's ugly. There's also support at 4,300. Or at least it appeared... Yeah, well, yeah. This chart's only going in $20 increments here. Every line's $20. There's definite support at 4,300, but there's definite resistance at 4,400. So we're kind of stuck in the middle. This is 1 week. So if you follow the actual arrow on this mouse, can you see it? The arrow. This is the $4,300 line, and this is the $4,400 line. And currently, since October 5th, what is today? 7? 6. Okay, one day we've been stuck in the middle of 43. Why does it seem like forever? Oh my god. That's the way it is in the crypto world. It's like one day is like 3 years, man. Anyway, I'm sorry. The high today was 44.26, so we did get above 4,400, but it did not last very long. There it is. All this right here is above 4,400. It just could not hold its position. We have a lot of sellers who have decided, probably through programs, to sell at 4,400. And we have a lot of programs programmed to buy at 4,300. That's where we are. Reprogram your little bots there, dude. Hey, but you know what? We're above 42 or above 41. That's all good. Ethereum's up pretty big at 310.11 cents. It's up 5.18%, and it's had nothing but a slow, steady rise all the way up. There's no dips here except for this little one here. It didn't last long. Ethereum looks very, very healthy. That's good news for me. My portfolio goes up, up, up with Ethereum. Yeah, well, Bitcoin's a little bit volatile. It's, Ethereum is just a steady, slow rise upward. And that wasn't really that slow. In 24 hours to gain over 5%, that's pretty strong. Litecoin is not the same story. It's up, but not even 1%, and it's sitting at $52. It's a totally different story. So the top 3 volume coins are not following the same trends. They each seem to have a mind of their own. A 1-day chart with Bitcoin. A 1-day chart with Ethereum. And a 1-day chart with the coin of light. Three totally different patterns. Interesting stuff. Okay, let's go see. I'm mad at Steemit right now, but let's go see how. It's not Steam. I lost me bloody Steam link. What is going on? Where's that? There we go. This window wasn't open enough. Steam is up 4.61%, and up to $1.22. Yesterday at this time it was $1.17, and that's a big rise relative to the value of this coin here. So if you have a little money in Steam, if you have a profile at Steam, it looks like you're rebounding a little bit from where we were for the past couple days. You just gotta kind of surf it, man, and go with the flow. I don't think it's a wise idea to trade Steam. I really don't. I think it's a long-term buy and hold situation. And nobody will be shy about telling you that. I mean, if you want to get out of the whole social media world and just turn your back on Facebook and Twitter and everything, go ahead and power it down and take your money and go. But if you're not doing that, just buy it when you have a couple dollars and hold it and use it for your retirement or something. Bitcoin Cash is up 2.55% and sitting at $364. So it's a slow rise back to $600 for Bitcoin Cash. I'm convinced that the value of that coin is $600. I think it's a great buy price right now. But you're going to have a little bit of gamble with you, and you're going to have to be able to deal with the volatility of that coin. It's very, very volatile. It's very unpredictable. It does not follow the trends. This can't be right. What is going on here? Ripple is in third place in volume. I'm going to repeat that. Ripple is now sitting at a volume of $21.5 million just for the past 24 hours. But Litecoin is just a couple dollars behind them. Litecoin is looking to recapture its third place position, but right now it's held by Ripple. This could change by the end of this video. We've already gone over Ripple. Right now it's up, but not even 1%. I don't think I've ever seen Ripple in the top 3 volume coins, but here we are. And you can see with Ethereum at 82.5 million and Bitcoin with 258.7 million. Ripple is nowhere near those two, and neither is Litecoin. Neither is anybody. So Bitcoin and Ethereum will probably hold the top 2 places for a long time to come. Third place can vary. Anyway, number 1, 2, and 3 is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Litecoin is in 4th. This is volume. Bitcoin Cash is in 5th. Neo is in 6th. Zcash is 7th. IOTA is 8th. Monero is 9th. And Dash is 10th. That's digital cash. Omise Go, the Oh My God coin, is in 11th place for honorable mention. Biggest tanker of the day by far is IOTA, losing 8.73% in the past 24 hours. The biggest gainer of the day is Ethereum. Well, hello, Ethereum's having an awesome day. Nothing but up. Yeah, sorry. So that's where we are. Bitcoin's trying to break through the the ceiling of 4,400, but it keeps getting pushed down to 4,300. Once we get over that 4,300, you know the drill here. It's nothing but up. Goodbye pattern. It's getting closer to it, and there is a strong buy pattern here, folks. Pay close attention. And there it is, right there. We already broke out once. It's just, well, this is it. If you're looking for a time to buy Bitcoin and you've been hesitating, this is going to be your last chance to get in. I'm convinced. That's it. That's it for the crypto update. Look at that. There's not much more to ask for, folks. You could not ask for more than this. You'll see. Peace, everybody. Have a great night.